So this is another angles video. I have this angle that's inside of this circle, but it's not in the center. I don't know for sure where the center is. My guess is that it would be like around here, but I do know that the center of this circle isn't marked, so I can just assume that this is not the center of the circle. Another way I know it's not the center is that the central angle and an arc would be equal. And so because this angle and this arc are not the same, I can say for sure this is not the center of the circle. But one thing that I do know is that if this angle is 37, so is this one. And I want to know what this arc is over here. Well, we just said that the arc and the angle aren't the same because it's not a central angle. So because this is 37 does not make this 37. You have to remember that rule that said an angle that's in the center, an angle that's on the interior of a circle, but not in the center, is the average of the two arcs that it catches. So I could say my arc that's 50 plus my arc that's x, that I don't know, divided by 2, that's the average, has to equal this angle. So has to equal 37. And now you have to do like a little bit of working backwards to get this. But if you multiply by 2 on both sides, the denominator goes away so that you're left with 50 plus x is equal to, and 37 times 2 is 74. And then you can subtract 50 from both sides, and you can get x is equal to 24. And that number makes sense for me because this arc looks a little bit smaller than this arc. So I would say this guy is 24.